holder of more than 40 ASA Pop Awards, Sarah Hayano.
Trophy represents a cherished memory talaga naman po. Lahat po yan ay bunga ng inyong pagmamahal at suporta. Maraming po salamat. And now as a presenter, it's an honor to present to you this year's ASA Pop Sweetheart. Here are the nominees.
ASA Pop Teen Choice 2016 nominees for ASA Pop Sweetheart are Andrea Brillantes, Kisses de la Vin, Rosa Angallo, Sue Ramirez. ASA Pop Teen Choice 2016.